Page 8, Dance. This is very similar to what we just played in the waltz. Slightly different, but very similar. This one is in G major. It's got one sharp in the key signature. You see so all the F's are sharped. Doesn't really matter here because we don't have any F's in this piece. So we're still just playing the white keys, but you're in this G position here to play these notes according to the note of. If you look at the notes, see in the right hand they don't give you a finger number. I think that's an error. But if you look at the notes, the first four notes in the right hand, you have a D and a D here. Well, to cover those in one hand position, you're really here. So you're in G position. So you're going to play the first note with third finger in the right hand. They give you finger numbers in the left hand. That's nice. You're in G position there too. So I think they should have given you fingers in the right hand. Probably just overlooked it. It's hard to get everything right in these books. I find errors in them regularly, and I got errors in my videos. There's so much data, there's things you get wrong sometimes. So right hand first, 3/4 time, right? Quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger here. I'm not trying to use the fingers to push the notes down. The weight's pushing it down, and I'm just lowering whichever finger I need. So really the finger's more or less holding up the hand and the arm because of the weight, but I'm not dropping all my weight into it, just a little bit. I don't want to overpower the fingers. I don't want to fatigue them, tire them out. So you work out this in the right hand, so you can play it all. In the left hand, you just got these broken chords here. The G chord, I'm transferring weight. The second line, you have these. So work that out, and then put the hands together. What do we get? See, this gets kind of tricky because now we got different fingers going on in different hands at the same time constantly. It's like, so here, and then here, and then here. It's like, what's going on? So you just have to work this out slowly, and in time, if you keep going, it comes a little bit. Just work this out. It's a little easier when you keep playing the same note in one hand. That settles that down so you can focus on the other hand a little bit better. That's the way you do. You work this whole thing out that way. Get rid of any hesitations you've got. Don't care how fast you go. That's not important. The beat has to be steady. Then when you have that, we can put in these slurs and staccatos and stuff. The left hand doesn't have anything marked for the most part. There's a few staccatos in the left hand, but otherwise play the left hand connected, like it's all slurred. But the right hand has slurs and staccatos mixed. So look at this right hand. That's slurred with staccato. So you're... So a nice light wrist here. So I'm connecting the left hand, but not the right. Now in the second line, it's staccato here, but the left hand has a slur staccato. So you have that. Good luck with that, because the right hand is all staccato. So now, in the last line, or the last measure of the second line, you connect the right hand, but not the left. And lift up between these. Lift up, so we get some silence between the slurs, and then we go back to legato, so connected. So work out the slurs and staccatos for each of these hands. You go back to working on it one hand at a time for a while if you have to get them. And once you do that, maybe you try there's no dynamic really given. It's moderately loud. That's all they do until the end. They tell you to get softer. You'll have to decide what moderate. Don't get loud. It's louder than middle, whatever that is. I don't know. And that's the right hand. The left hand, keep it soft. And Allegro's fast. Well, it's your fast. I don't know what your fast is, but to me it's a... something like that. I have problems in that second line in the first two measures here. I have to work on that. Your fast doesn't have to go that fast. You can go slower, whatever it is. In time, you'll get faster and faster, but it's got to be accurate. That's more important. So whatever that is. Now at the end, the last line, when you're getting softer and there's a rit. See that in the next last measure? Retardando means gradually slow down. Well, you just gradually slow down. So that last line you're here. It is softer. That's the right hand. Down, softer. The left hand's already soft. And you connect this in the left hand at the end. And the counting continues to slow down. Even on the last note, it'll sound like it lasts longer than 3 beats. It doesn't. You're just slowing the beat down. So the last couple measures, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, off. You continue to slow down the count. So let's try this together slowly to make sure we got the right notes and rhythms. And I'm going to try the dynamics. I can't slow down because the metronome won't slow down, but otherwise we'll play it together. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.